MrBeast pays hundreds of thousands of dollars for just one thumbnail.
We put up I employ a lot of thumbnail artists and a lot of thumbnail designers. I spend hundreds of thousands of dollars a month on thumbnails.
But the crazy part is, you can do it too. No skills, no expensive software, completely free. And today, we are going to do it together. We will make a thumbnail for my next video, step by step. And the last step, that is the secret nobody tells you. Whenever I need inspiration, I look at movie posters and other YouTube thumbnails in my niche. We are going to pick at least 3 thumbnails and take one thing from each of them to create something new. But there is one rule you have to follow. Make sure your inspirations are compatible with your niche, because a funny, crazy thumbnail will not work on an educational channel, and a boring one will not work for entertainment. So make sure you are playing the same game as the people you are learning from. And do not copy someone's thumbnail completely, or you will end up looking like that one guy who just borrows everything. So for our thumbnail, I found those 3 thumbnails for inspiration. The first one is from Liam Kirkham. It is a thumbnail style you might have seen a couple of times. It is a color strip style where it shows levels of something, or a progression step. The next one is from Vika's design. It shows a man sitting with 6 hands, each holding a different natural element. It kind of looks like Avatar. The last one is from Dylan Reynolds. It is kind of a broken screen, or paper pieces, showing different angles of the video. Okay, now we will start making our thoughts come to life. We can now expand our thoughts by showing how you take the elements from the inspirations and start arranging them, picking colors, focus, or layout. First, my character. I am thinking of making it like the second inspiration, the guy with 6 hands. But instead of holding elements, he is going to hold video editing tools like CapCut, motion blur, and all that stuff.
2,000 years later.
Alright, changing plans. The 6-hand idea did not really work because Grok is yeah, we are not doing that. So we are just going to make it a meditating guy, with my character's face on it. And honestly, it is not even bad. Now for the background. I am taking inspiration from the color palette thumbnail from Liam Kirkham, but instead of using strips, I am thinking of making the colors shine from the character, kind of like the energy is coming out of him. So I found this circle 5-color palette from Pinterest, and you can actually find a lot of green screens and thumbnail resources on Pinterest. Sorry, Google. Sorry, Google. So I put our character right in the middle to give the illusion that the colors are shining from him. And I know what you were thinking. Lunex, this is not a freaking profile picture. That is why Grok exists. It is complicated. Anyway, back to the thumbnail. So after some back and forth with Grok, we finally figured it out. And now it is actually thumbnail sized. Now we start adding the app icons, which I also found on Pinterest. And yes, they are fully free. Now we have a test thumbnail from her. We are going to use AI editing magic from here, like GPT and Grok, also completely free. Since Grok has almost unlimited picture generation, we are going to use that first. After it felt like 100 years, we finally came up with this thumbnail. I know you are probably thinking, it is just step 3 and we already finished the thumbnail. And yeah, we finished the thumbnail. But thumbnail quality is not the only thing that matters if you want people to click. Do you ever see those kind of professional thumbnails? Sometimes they do not even have any text at all. It is because our thumbnail is like a bow and arrow. It directs viewers straight to the title. So keep this in mind. Even if a thumbnail is high quality and professional, if it tells a different story, it will still suck. The secret you have been waiting for. The secret is, be yourself. When we were all children, we doodled and showed it to our family without being scared. It was because we believed we made something new. And yes, we really did. Like, tell me who would even try to recreate this. So try what you have in mind, not just what you see getting views. And if you want to learn how to edit, subscribe. We will actually make the video that this thumbnail was for. See you next time.